for today's makeup tutorial, I wanted to show you guys this fun, smoky, sexy Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Originally, I was gonna do like a really subtle eye, but as I was doing my makeup, you guys will see, as I was doing my makeup, I was like, you know what, screw it, I like these colors together a lot more and this feels a lot more me. So I went ahead and decided to create this makeup look for you guys. It was a lot of fun for me to create. I'm actually pretty excited about it. Might want to go out tonight for a little bit, but honestly, let's be real, I'm probably just gonna wind up changing into some sweatpants. I'm gonna be too lazy to wash my face and I'm just gonna watch Friends. Yeah, that sounds about right. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Hey you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this look off with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes with some loose setting powder. I already have concealer on my lids currently, and that's usually how I prime my eyes. I just go ahead and use my concealer that I already have, and then I set it with a powder. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my Morphe 3502 palette because again, I kind of want to do a little bit of a more neutral look with the eyes. I want to go for like the classic Valentine's Day, like kind of like a light eye with like a really bold lip. That's my plan here. So the first color I'm going to dig into will be this one in the palette right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to the corner of my eye, blend it out, kind of drag that out a little bit too. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade right here in the palette. I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush because I just want a little bit more of a precise brush here. This color is like a little bit more of a dusty pink, and I really like that for looks like this, like little Valentine's Day date night looks, or even just like a night out with your girlfriends, or even just like, you know what, a night out on your own, or even like a night in on your own. That's always fun too. You just feel like staying in, but you still want to do some makeup. I get that. I'm all about that. Now I'm going to dip into this shade right next to the shade we just used, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to blend this out on the outer corner of the eye. Little bit lower in the crease, and then when there's like little to almost no product left, I'm gonna go ahead and wing it out just a tad. And then now I'm just gonna grab like a pinch of this dark brown here in the shade, in the palette, just to add like a teeny tiny bit more like dimension to this. Oh yeah, that's it. That's better. I like that a lot. Now I'm just gonna grab some concealer. I'm gonna put it on a packing brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my crease. You know I said that this was gonna be a much more simple eye. Yeah, I lied. Kind of just went ahead and started doing my own thing here. I had a totally different thing in mind, but I'm liking this more, so I'm gonna keep rolling with it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my lower lash line. I'll go ahead and speed up this process just a little bit. You guys know the drill. I'm just gonna use the exact same colors that I used on my top lid. I'm gonna use on my lower lash line. Hey you guys, okay, so I went ahead and added on the Baddington lashes as well, and then I also used the ColourPop Honeydew eyeliner just to use on my waterline because I wanted to make my eyes look a lot more open and awake, and this one is a nude liner. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my face now. I already used concealer ahead of time on my under eyes, just so you guys know. I have a ton of tutorials on here on how I do that. I just want to save a little bit more time on this video, but go ahead and go to literally any of my other makeup tutorials. I show you guys how I do my concealer. I do not wear foundation, however. Those of you that don't know, I do not wear foundation. I just prefer not to. I don't know, I don't like the way it feels on my skin personally, so that's why I don't use it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get into contouring now. Oh, I love the way this bronzer smells. Such an oldie but a goodie. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. Works perfectly for my pale ass, especially during this time of the year. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this by contouring my forehead. Just doing the sides of my forehead. I feel like I got a big forehead. I like to make it look a little smaller, so I contour. Let's just pretend. Let's just pretend. 10. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheekbones. So what I like to do this very lightly. Honestly, I don't believe in being like super harsh when you're trying to blend. So I use a very light hand and I blend upwards. I start from the very top of my ear. I start to work my way down the cheekbone and I blend it upwards using a very light hand. And I feel like that just gives the most flawless look. Gives the most airbrush look, I think, personally. And today, I don't know, I really want to be nice and contoury for Valentine's Day because I just think that's pretty. I know these eyes might not be screaming Valentine's Day, but I like the way they look. It's like a purpley, pinky, warm look. I don't know, I'm feeling it. I'm liking it. This is my tutorial. I'm gonna do what I want. I'm also going to contour my nose just a tad bit, just because I like the way it looks. I like how it looks when your nose looks nice and warm, and I feel like it just evens out the face a little bit more. Alright, so now for blush. Buxom actually went ahead and sent me all their new primer infused blushes, which I'm super excited about. I'm trying to decide which one I want to use for this look though. I kind of want something really pretty and pinky because this is a Valentine's Day look. I think I'm going to go with Dolly. I think this one's more of like a mauve-y pink. And I think it'll go really well with this look. Yeah, I think this one will go really well with this look personally. Oh, these actually smell good. What is that? I don't know, but I like it. Go ahead and dip my brush in. I'm gonna dip it in lightly because I don't know how pigmented this is, so I'm a little nervous. It's pigmented. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. At least it blends out nicely though. I've been more of a blush girl lately anyway, so I don't mind it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I love the finish of this. This is gorgeous. I always bring my blush up just like a little bit past the temple because I just think it like blends everything out a little bit nicer personally. I don't like when it just like stops here and it's kind of like, what are you doing? You know, like that's clearly blush. Either way, it's clearly blush, but at least you blend it out a little bit nicer when it's a little higher. This is so pretty though. Like this gives you such a pretty, like healthy looking sheen to the skin. And I love blushes that do that. I am like all about that. And lately I've been such a blush girl, and I mean, you guys, it's Valentine's Day. You want to be nice and blushy and like pink and cute, and I love this. This is adorable. I'm feeling this blush. It blends out so nicely too. Like at first I was like, oh shit, that's pigmented, but look how nice this blends. Oh my god, love this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I really want to use the other ones now. This is so birdie. I love it. I'm also gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose because that's what almost broke my mirror, because that's what I always do. I always add just a teeny tiny bit of blush to my nose because I don't know, I just think it looks cute. All right, the highlight I'm going to use today is another oldie but a goodie. It is the Pink Heart Moonchild Glow Kit highlight. It is freaking beautiful, and I think it'll go really nicely with this little pinky purpley vibe I got going on in my eyes. Oh, that is so pretty. This is like the ultimate Valentine's Day highlight. You know what I mean? Like it's pinky, it's pretty. All right, I went ahead and just also added in that highlight on my inner corner and my brow bone as well, just so I got a little something going there as well. Now I'm thinking I still want to do a fun Valentine's Day red lip with this. I still think it would actually look pretty cute, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and add on the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Designer Blood. Oh yeah, that's cute. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. I really love this lip. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the Buxom lip gloss on top in the shade Cherry Flip. And I'm just gonna add this to the center of my lip, just to give more of like a juicy lip feel, you know? And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you want to, go ahead and set this with some setting spray just so you're ready for the whole night, especially if you're going out for a night in the town with your man or your girls or your boys, whatever you're doing this Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a great time. Have fun. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are up to this Valentine's Day. I'd love to know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys on my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.